Hi guys! So in this video I'm going to discuss another fast math trick, that is squaring a number that ends with 5. So usually if we're going to square a number that ends with 5, for example if we're going to have 15 squared, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 15 twice itself. So we're going to have here 15 times 15, and 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, then 1 times 15 is 15. Then we're going to have our answer as 5, then in here 7 plus 5 is 12, then our answer will be 225. Now, in here, if we're going to have the shortcut method in finding the square of a number that ends with 5, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the first number. So in here, if we're going to look at the first number 15, the first number is 1. After looking at the first number, you're going to multiply this 1 to its next number. So after 1 will be 2. So we're going to have 1 times 2 will be 2. Then you will just add 25. So let's have another example. If we're going to have 25 squared, so we're going to look at the first digit, that is 2. Next to 2 is 3, so we're going to have 2 times 3. That will be 6, so we're going to have here 6, then just add 25. So 25 squared is 625. Then if we're going to have another example, let's have 45 squared. So we're going to look at the first digit, that is 4. Then after 4 will be 5, so we're going to have 4 times 5, that will be 20. Then you're going to add 25. Next, let's have 65 squared. So 65 squared, the first digit is 6. Then you're going to have, or you're going to multiply this one to its next digit. So 6 times 7 will be 42. Then you're going to add 25. Okay, let's have another one. Let's have 85 squared. So we're going to look at the first digit, which is 8. Then next to 8 is 9, so we're going to have 8 times 9, that will be 72. Then we're going to add 25. Okay, last one. Let's have 105 squared. So we're going to have here 10. Then 10 times 11 will be 110. Then you're going to add here 25. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about this topic, please comment down below. And see you next time.